I'm here with Matt. We have a 2020 DURAMAX sitting behind us. It was a SEMA build to go to SEMA this year. Obviously, we all know what happened. SEMA's canceled.
One thing that I wanted to pay honor to was the 82nd Airborne Division. The truck has earned her combat badge by going through everything that she's had to go through. So initially, I was guilty of it. I assumed that, like, hey, I'm going to SEMA. All these companies are going to want to throw parts at you and, you know, get stuff on your truck, and that is not the case. There you go.
All right, so we got the 40s on this side, and if we come over here, still got the stock wheels. Just look at that difference. That is insane. That's literally you versus the guy she says not to worry about, or is it the other way around? All right, so here we have the beast, 24x14 with 40x1550. Status update: front bumper and all the inserts are painted. Grill has been painted, almost done with the grill install. It's a little bit more work than you had anticipated, right?
Definitely.
Definitely. But it'll be worth it when you're done.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Oh yeah. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Had to make a quick stop at a Circle K to get some energy drink. Right now we are on our way to, I don't know if they actually do wrapping here because it's my first time checking it out. They do a lot of graphic stuff. They make signs and whatnot. Matthias dropped his truck off there to get the side wrapped with the American flag. They got started on it about an hour and a half ago, so we should be just in time to catch them finishing it up. Is there anything you would want people to know about in terms of wrapping a vehicle that you wish everybody knew about? Just like a general knowledge.
The material is good outdoors for 7 to 10 years, depending on the material. Car's got to be clean. Parts have to be removed.
Do you have to clay bar the vehicle before bringing it in?
A newer vehicle like this one, I wouldn't. Ain't nothing wrong with this one, but I've had some other stuff that I've showed clay bars to customers,
right, and
they've never seen them before. Like, what is that? I'm like, listen, rub your hand across this, you know. Can you feel it? This is sapping 8 years worth of junk on a vehicle, but a brand new vehicle doesn't have that problem.
What if they waxed it before they brought it in? Do you have to strip the wax?
Yeah, you really don't want wax on it. Wax is not good. There's application and cleaning fluids that we use to keep the wax off of it, or get the wax off of it.
Okay. What if it's been like ceramic coated? Does that make a difference?
Actually, not 100% sure on that one. That nano coating would make the vinyl, to me, make it harder to stick. But hadn't had one of those yet.
Keep down 13 1/4. That's.
You ready to see a wrap?
Yeah, man.
Where you going? Go inside?
Find Brian.
Brian's over here.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, he's finishing up a couple things.
Nice.
I want to get your reaction on film. I think you're gonna love it. I already sent you pictures, but
yeah, I think I'm gonna love it too.
probably want to go look at that side.
Holy snap! Wow. That's what we were going for, man.
Yeah.
It's exactly what we wanted. Holy cow.
Yeah, I told the guys, like, I didn't know what to expect from the wrap, but when they got done with it,
that is awesome.
and I love the little sponsors on the back too.
Yeah, they did that. They did it all great, man.
It like blends in with the glass.
Green and glass. Yeah, just man.
I'm surprised how well that matches like your green.
We went back and forth on the colors. A couple times. I almost picked the wrong color actually at one point, but
that's close. All right, so here's the finished product. Can you explain to them basically what this wrap means?
Basically sacrificing your life for one of your friends or for a fellow comrade, a family member, just the ultimate sacrifice in life, period, that I have had the experience, I guess. Not necessarily my personal experience because I'm still here, but the experience of losing friends who sacrificed their lives for you or for the greater good of what we do in the military. That's the hard part about it.
Yeah, it really ties in with the theme of your truck, like the military green suspension, obviously the airborne badge right there. You're in the military.
Yeah.
So I mean that wrap just ties in the whole theme for the build. Got the American flag. As what does it say? Greater love has
no one than this, to lay down one's life for his friends.
There you go. And then you got the Bible verse, John 15:13.
That was my way of saying thank you to those that have sacrificed or have had to, that paid the ultimate sacrifice for what we do.
Mm-hmm. You should do a Humvee next, like a big old Humvee build. That'd be pretty cool.
All right, we gotta find a sponsor for that.
SEMA 2022. We may need a couple years.
Sponsor.
Just look how big that truck is. Golly. Alright, time to compare our height difference. Look at that. Dang. Good about 4 or 5 inches difference. Truck's massive. All right, so we got the truck dropped off. What all is left before the reveal on Friday?
Bumpers, grill. That's it.
That's it though,
Maybe
right?
some debadging if we have enough time.
Right. So, I mean, truck is what, 85% finished.
Yes.
I mean, your grill, all you need to do is put the new inserts in it.
Yep.
And then bumper is it's already painted, but it's just getting wet sanded and getting the final touch.
Yep.
So after that, he's gonna get it put on. You're hoping to put everything back on tomorrow, right? Or maybe Thursday night?
Tomorrow, yeah, I want to start tomorrow. That way, if there's any issues, I have some time to flex over into Thursday.
All right, cool. So we're gonna meet up Friday and do a whole reveal. Mark Jeffcoat is gonna drive down here from Columbia with his stock 2020 DURAMAX, because we kind of want to compare like this beast versus a stock one. You know what I mean? Like the height difference and everything. And then on Friday's video, when we reveal, we'll do a full walk around of this truck, and possibly for another episode, we'll do how much you had to spend to do a SEMA build.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'm down for that.
All right. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.